Hi, I'm Rudy Winston, and I'm here to introduce an exciting new specialized lens for creative still image and video content. It's the Canon RF7-14mm F2.8-3.5 L Fisheye STM lens, a totally new design with excellent image quality and up to 190-degree circular fisheye coverage, a world's first for autofocus circular fisheye lenses for full-frame mirrorless cameras as of January 1st, 2026. Unlike many third-party fisheye lenses, the 7-14mm fisheye provides autofocus and full exposure control, including all auto exposure modes. You're not restricted to full manual operation, but of course it's there whenever you want it. On full-frame cameras at its 7mm zoom setting, it delivers a circular fisheye image with 190 degrees of coverage. Zoom to 14mm with a full-frame camera, and it now provides diagonal fisheye coverage, filling the entire sensor area with a dramatic ultra-wide fisheye view. And on APS-C cameras, such as the Canon EOS R10 or R7 models, it delivers diagonal fisheye results at about its 8.7mm zoom position. There's a sliding limit switch on the side of this lens to limit zoom ring rotation to either the 7mm position or from approximately 8.7mm, the C setting on the zoom ring, for diagonal fisheye results without vignetting on an APS-C camera through its longest 14mm position. Fisheye lenses are a direct path to dramatic and different imagery. Architecture, close-up action such as skateboarding, astrophotography, music videos and stills, and even animals and pets are among the subjects where fisheye lenses can have outstanding visual impact. This lens brings strong video capabilities. Key among them are a new drop-in filter system, using the same drop-in design and filters as Canon's previous drop-in filter lens mount converter EF to EOS R. An optional rotating variable neutral density filter and a circular polarizing filter are available as accessories, and the lens ships with a special clear filter that's required when specialized filters aren't needed. These are glass filters designed to be part of the optical design and not gel or polyester filters. Speaking of the optical design, it's completely new for this lens. It's an L-series lens with strong optical performance using 5 ultra-low dispersion glass elements, 2 aspheric elements, and specialized APS-C, air sphere coating, for maximum resistance to flare in backlit situations. Another cool part of the optical design is that zooming and focusing are entirely internal. The front of the lens never moves, and its overall length never changes. Focus breathing is extremely minimal and does not rely on camera body correction. Close-up shooting is one way to maximize the imaging potential of fisheye lenses. This RF mount 7-14mm fisheye lens focuses as close as 5.9 inches or 15 centimeters from the image sensor to the subject, giving it close-up magnification over 1/3 life size during diagonal fisheye shooting. On its exterior are the traditional Canon RF lens control ring with quick stops, a manual focus ring, and the zoom ring. In addition to the limit switch, it also has a customizable AF stop button. It's a lightweight lens at approximately 17.4 ounces or 496 grams and well suited for video work on gimbals and other video support systems. The lens is ideally suited for VR movie production with its equidistant type projection optical design. Fisheye video can be converted to hemispheric panorama 2D VR 180 movies using Canon's EOS VR utility software for VR viewing on compatible headsets or on computer screens. It's weather resistant throughout its exterior and includes both a new dedicated bayonet mount lens hood and a dedicated front lens cap. Two notes here. The hood must be removed for circular fisheye shooting, and it's not attachable in reverse. And the lens cap attaches directly to the attached hood, not to the front of the lens barrel. The RF7-14mm F2.8-3.5 L Fisheye STM lens brings a different element of visual excitement even to ordinary situations, and the fisheye look in video and still images is one we see more frequently in today's world. This is the high-performance, high-quality answer for critical users, giving the Canon EOS R system another lens for dramatic imagery. I'm Rudy Winston, and I thank you for joining us today.